Hey guys, it's Kiara from iDigital Affiliate, and today we're going to continue on the My Lead Gen Secrets Challenge of making money with Clickbank to see how much profit we can make using methods that everybody has been using lately, but only using 3 accounts. I'm only focusing on 3. Just in case you guys want to start small or something like that. And I kind of just interested to see if I make more money than I spend. I'm not entirely sure. So it's more of a case study that for me, and I just want to show you guys exactly what happens. You know what I mean? So let's get to it. All right, so as you can see, I did not get a sale yesterday here, so let's look at what happened here. Yesterday we got 155 clicks here. That's something else. I don't know what, but something I got out in the ether got some clicks too. We ain't worried about that. So, and then we got 13 today, and something else I got in the ether getting clicks too. We ain't worried about that. So anyway, but mainly we're gonna focus on yesterday. Tracking IDs here. Okay, third got 30, 50, and 50 here. So not too much interest in the offer, to be honest. But we're gonna continue on, and we're gonna do it exactly like we've been told to do. With a lot of that people making money with. I've made money with social paid as well. In fact, this $12 here is from a very late social paid sale that I kind of forget. Yeah, a very late social paid sale, so I know it works. I hadn't been promoting social paid in a long time, and I still got a sale like later, much later, so I know it works. So anyway, we're just gonna continue on and do exactly what we did before here. We're gonna come in, Clickbank, and we're gonna use My Lead Gen Secrets. Now, if you don't know, My Lead Gen Secrets is a system in which you kind of sign in and you get leads. You get 100 leads every single day, and every single day you get 100 leads. It builds up every single day. So as you can see here, it did not perform that well, that email here. See, look, on 102. And I got 30,000 leads, so that's horrible. So let's see what happens next. We are not editing them at all. We're gonna post exactly. We're gonna send the email exactly like it says up here, just to see how we do here. So we're gonna click on email swipes. We're on email number 2. So we're gonna copy this particular email here. We're gonna post it. That. Boom, boom, boom. Yeah. We're gonna get the email here. Hi name, blah blah blah. All the best. Signature, yes, blah. Alright. You don't need to read it like I did. I'm just kind of scamming through it. Go ahead and get this done with here. You guys know exactly what to do here if you want to follow along. But basically the idea is that you just get so many leads that eventually you'll get sales. So you don't need to necessarily be all that great here. So anyway, you replace country with your area here. Right, so we're gonna replace country with your area. We're gonna put our name here. Don't really respond to first name. Copy, paste here. All right, so we're gonna get the link there. So we're gonna send this to 3 accounts. So we're gonna get our link here on Clickbank. Go on social pay. That's the one we're gonna use here. We're gonna make sure we link that. Get this. So on and so forth. If I'm moving too fast, I do this much slower in my first video, but I'm kind of just showing you guys, like pretty much a abridged version. If you haven't seen this before, there's plenty of videos showing you exactly what to do here on my channel and other channels. Everybody's doing this right now to make money. It's working for a lot of people. So we just testing it out ourselves. And I'm gonna note exactly what happens here on my spreadsheet here. Nothing's happened yet. I haven't gotten a sale yet, so there's nothing I can say here. So as you can see here for February, I'm starting with -90. So if I don't get a sale by March, I'm gonna be at -180 for March. if I don't get any sales here. But the idea is that I should make more money than I spend. So I started on the 24th of February, so we started really late in February for this. But we're gonna continue on anyway. We're gonna just write down everything, gross total, net totals, all that. And every time I get a sale, I put it right here and place it. What account got it, what date, if it got an upsell, so on and so forth. We'll lock that right there. So anyway, let's go on back here. We got the link here. We got this going on. Yes, sir. The link is in there. We make sure we click on perfect timing. What perfect timing does is send the email around the time they open email, so it's a good chance they'll check it out. So anyway, we hit preview, make sure the link works here, and yes, it does. The link does work here. So we're gonna try different methods. If this doesn't get any sales, we're gonna start tweaking a little bit. So this is how you kind of get more information. So we're gonna send it exactly as said here, just my name here, but that's about it. And we're gonna tweak it the next time we come to social pay. We're gonna start tweaking with the header and stuff like that. But for now, we're gonna focus on it like this. So let's continue on, and we're gonna send the email here. Send email, right? And after you send the email, the next thing you're gonna want to do, we're gonna close this. Next thing you want to do is open your next account, like so. Make sure you go to the next account here. Log in, log out, log in. My next one is Sporticifi. Let's get in here. See, look, this one actually got more engagement than the other one with tons of leads. You see that? That's how I know. Maybe that list is just tired of me. I don't know. Anyway, let's keep it moving here. We're gonna still test it here. We get the email here. Pick the subject. Boom, boom. Control Alt. That. Change this to make sure it's email GS2. You know we on the second account here. Send email. Done. Got one more to send it to. Now you do this based on how many emails you got, and make sure to sign in under your own My Lead Gen Secrets affiliate system so you can get extra leads to 200. Your 100 leads turn to 200 leads. All right, I probably should have said that earlier, but you know you got the information now. Oh man, I'm so scuffed. Anyway, let's keep it moving. This one didn't get too many opens or leads, but it doesn't have that many leads either, so it's whatever. Anyway, we click on that. Boom, boom. Otherwise, only got 53. What is this? What's going on here? Weird. I'm gonna refresh. Boom. There we go. Got all 54. All right. B. This. Make sure we change that to 3. So we know what clicks come from where and emails and all that good stuff. All we gotta do is get our subject here very quickly. Boom, and you're done. That's all you gotta do every morning. Now, if you have a ton of accounts, say 5 or 10 accounts, you can build up a lead. You can build up a actual income just by doing this. Now, that's the theory. I want to do it myself and show it to you guys if I can do it or not. I know I can get sales with this easy, but I haven't been keeping up with. I've never really kept up with how much I was spending compared to how much I was making, because I was much more concerned with it getting sales. All right, so let's keep it moving here. And that's why we're gonna send that here. And this is why it's a case study. We're gonna find out together if this works really well or not. Now, if it don't work really well, I will make sure to tell you guys that, and show you guys. You seeing the same thing I'm seeing, guys. You're gonna see the same thing that I see. That's just what I'm gonna do. You're gonna see that same situation that I'm gonna see. Oh yeah, one more thing. I have a system called Saving Highway Global. Now, what Saving Highway Global is that you can sign in and save a lot of money on your any kind of bills you may have to pay, car insurance, anything like that, electric bill, house, whatever. And you know, it's a ton of ways to save a ton of money when you sign into the system. There's gonna be a link in the description for all of this stuff. That's also down there as well. So yeah, that's about it, guys. And make sure to like, comment, subscribe, and I will see you next time. Peace.